Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I am super late getting around to this one. Not 2008 late, just I think that's just the packaging they used, but this was likely June's Going Gear EDC Club box, and yeah, I've had a lot of stuff to open up on the channel. So I'm going to open this up, share it with you guys. The individual items, of course, will be available at Going Gear, which you guys should definitely check out. But if you want to, you can check out the Going Gear EDC Club standard box or premium box, which will be linked down in the description. Whatever you want to do is fine. But I'm going to open this up and see what's in this box this month. Thanks so much to Going Gear for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. Most of these have, oh, well, right off the bat, we have a Wii knife, so that's a good sign. Most of these have been really great in terms of the value, right? Looks like we got 2 knives this time, so it'd be pretty hard to mess that one up. Every now and then I get one of these and I don't love it. Of course, the downside to picking up a box like this is that you don't know what's in the box. I've always said probably like an ideal way to do this, I don't know if they would lose customers this way or not, is probably each month let people know what's going to be in there, and then people can decide if they want to pick up the box or not. And probably the reason that they don't do that is because they would lose money that way, right? I don't know. I just feel like that would be a better way to do it. But some people like to be surprised. The nice thing about these boxes is even if, I mean, it's not always exactly what you want, but the value of everything combined will be more than what you paid for it, right? So I guess it just depends on your perspective. So, the first thing here, the Harlow Road wooden mosquito balls. These, citronella soaked wood balls are safe, flameless alternative to repel mosquitoes while enjoying the outdoors. I'll actually use these. I'm not going to open this up. They are wooden balls that smell bad to mosquitoes. So there you go. I feel like I can actually already smell them. I don't like the smell of citronella. It really, really bothers me. So, but I'd rather be slightly annoyed and not have to deal with mosquitoes than not have to deal with the smell of citronella. I'll choose citronella over mosquitoes, I guess. Let's see here. The QSP Ripley is the second knife here. Oh, okay. Have I reviewed this? This is $75 in value is what it says. All right. We have you know what? I feel like QSP literally just messaged me about this and said, do you want to review this? So, yeah, I mean, I guess I'll be getting one from QSP as well. Looks like 14C28N and a crossbar lock. Wow, really, really high tension on those Omega springs there. Look at this. Jeez, you ever seen a crossbar lock that does that? Usually this is like the notoriously floppy area. Excuse me. Wow. Also full size. Definitely. I would say that's probably 8 1/4. Let me look here real quick. No, 8 inches. 8 inches on the dot, 3.5 inch blade, 3.35 inch cutting edge. Nice fully flat ground 14C28N blade. G10 scales with nested liners. That's cool. It's actually a nested cartridge liner, which makes sense since it is a crossbar lock. And they were intelligent enough to offer both right and left-handed mounting positions for the pocket clip, which is smart because this is an ambidextrous locking system. So, yeah, pretty cool. $75. Yeah, that is about right. It's right there on the line, you know, but a little bit more complicated than your standard budget knife. But yeah, I'd say I'd go for that. So there's 75 there and $12.95 there. The cost of this box, like if people who are subscribed to the premium box, it's $200 a month, right? But this last knife, the Wii knife Wrecker, $216 by itself. So yeah. There's a standard box, which would be I think it's $60 a month, maybe it's $70 a month, in which you would have received just these 2 things. Still over the line there, but I think, yeah, In this case, I want to open this up. Shit, really holding on there. I think in this case, I mean, $200. I think it's $199 a month. A lot of money to pay for a package you don't know what's inside. But for those of you subscribed to this, I think you definitely won this month, for sure. So the Wii Wrecker, that's 200 and, what did it say? 216 is pretty low for a Wii knife. But yeah, okay, straightforward. Yeah, I feel like I've seen this before. So this is CBM 20 CV, and we got bronzed, like accents, regular, you know, blackened titanium, actually nice and smooth. This is definitely a more basic Wii knife, but still absolutely, I mean, the price tag I don't have a problem with at all. Textured titanium, kind of a razory looking blade. Really smooth though. This makes me think of like, you know, Wii knives right around 2016, 2018, something like that. Very nice though, for sure. But yeah, I feel like they got the value there for this one. Not everybody's gonna love every knife, but $216 for the Wii, $75. It's really an 85, not $290. So I mean, yeah, about I guess you could say about $300. You paid $200 for people who picked this up this month. Paid $200 and got $300 worth of stuff. Yeah, I don't think that's bad at all. Okay, there's not really anything else to say here. I guess you guys probably want to know the weight and the measurements on that guy there, which we'll go ahead and do. On the Wrecker, I actually don't know how to pronounce that exactly right. The overall length on this guy is 8 1/4. The blade length is 3.75. Wow. And then cutting edge 3.5 inches. I know you guys want to know, what are you going to do with this stuff? Well, I'm going to give it away. That's what I usually do. If you're new to my channel, I unbox stuff. I review the stuff that I think is interesting, even if I don't love it, for one reason or another. If it's a popular model, right? But afterwards, most of it gets given away on live streams. Usually Friday evenings at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I usually give away 4 knives per live stream. So yeah, that's probably what this stuff will end up being. But I'll probably review both knives first if I don't have full-length reviews on them. The weight on the QSP, 3.6 ounces, and the weight on the Wii, honestly, really smooth. 3.5. The titanium Wii actually weighs less. Okay. I'll make sure and link these knives individually down in the description, as well as the Going Gear EDC Club box. That is going to be about it. Not really anything else to talk about here today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.